This video is a follow-up demonstration of how to get temperature control from a regular plug-in soldering iron. It is the second version of an example done in a previous video. This version has a few improvements. It uses a 120 volt 60 watt soldering iron that gets hotter and heats up faster than the previous version. The PID controller in this version is able to work at higher temperatures, plus this controller uses a solid-state relay to switch the soldering iron on and off. This circuit has a 25 amp SSR. An SSR has no mechanical parts to wear out, plus it is capable of much more precise switching than a mechanical relay. This version also has a longer thermocouple than the previous version. It is 2 meters long and allows the use of the full length of the power cord. A tip thermometer will be used to check the temperature of the soldering iron periodically throughout the demonstration. In this demonstration, I will check the controller for a range of temperature settings. The top number is the temperature of the soldering iron. The bottom number is the temperature setting. The LED on the SSR will glow when power is sent to the soldering iron. The temperature readings are in degrees Celsius. See the video description for the equivalent readings in degrees Fahrenheit. The video description also has links for complete details on how to modify the soldering iron and connect the components. Caution: this unit is connected to live AC voltage. Do not attempt to do this unless you know what you are doing. AC line voltage can be fatal. If you want to do this and you're not absolutely sure you know what you are doing, then get someone to help you who does. The unit reaches the first few temperature settings in a short amount of time. the controller was taking more time than usual to reach the 350 degree temperature setting. When the unit was auto-tuned, the PID settings were optimized for 343 degrees. That's probably the reason it was taking a little more time.